right. Well, welcome everybody. Thanks for joining today's episode in the Moldex 3D webinar series here in 2022. My name is Scott Sazen. I'm account manager with the Moldex 3D Americas team. And today's topic is going to be enhancing simulation accuracy with material characterization and material digital twin. So just a quick outline of topics we'll be touching upon today. All material-related, simulation-related material characterization, material digital twin, recycled plastics and its role in simulations, and also our material hub cloud. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. So coming from this injection molding, world, when injection molding a part, there's a variety of defects that can occur due to many variables in the injection molding manufacturing process. These defects can range from purely cosmetic, appearance of the part, surface defects, surface appearance, things like that, to structural defects, which can affect the fit, form, and function of the part and be more severe. But it's always a challenge in molding a quality part, and it definitely takes expertise. And there's many factors that go into molding a quality part. One is the machine itself, the injection molding machine, and there's tons of variables right within the machine itself, depending on the application that you're molding. The molding process, your pressures, your times, your speeds, things of that nature, temperatures, all those variables that you can play around with or control in the molding process to help dial in quality process window and quality parts. The mold design and the part design itself, of course, the design characteristics, following guidelines and things of that nature. A smaller part is the environment, but it surely has an impact. If you're in a temperature-controlled molding facility, or if there's high humidity or whatnot, that can certainly play an effect in the outcome of the molded parts.